So these are the things I got. This is one out of 4 packages. So this is the first they are delivering. This video is going to be a shopping haul, or should we call it Temu Haul? Everyone says Temu is a scam, Temu is a scam. But if you know how to shop online, like people don't just say it, that you need to check the description, you need to check the product reviews. When you know how to shop online, you cannot get scam. But you need to check if the price you are paying is commensurate to what you are getting. And you check the product reviews, what the customers themselves, the pictures they put, you check them yourself. So, well, I hope I'm not just selling this. I hope I don't eventually get what I ordered versus what I got. So yeah, let's get right into it. I got about 20 items for this package, but the other ones that I got, they are not as much as this. So this is going to be a long while. Will you stick around for it? I'm sure you will. So let's start with this. I got a smartwatch because from the beginning of time, since last time, I'm saying I'll go to the gym, I'll go to the gym, I'll go to the, but I did not go. This year I made it a new year resolution that I will go to the gym, but I knew I will not go, at least while I'm in law school. But now that I'm done with law school, I'm going to take my fitness journey very, very serious. So I got a smartwatch that I can use to track my health, my jogging, my, I don't know, fitness stuff. So this is what is in the smartwatch. Ooh, I guess I will have to assemble it myself. Oh, I have to assemble it myself. I hope I'm able to get that. Then they put in the straps. I think this is the charger. Oh, nice. So this is the first of the 20, like that. I guess I'll make a video of it when I've charged it and I'm already using it. Then this is for my back. I do get back pain, so I got this stuff for my back. I guess I'll do a usage of them very soon. But yeah, this one is something that you wear on the back like this. You wear it. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is one of the things I bought for the fitness journey too. This is going to be for my jogging in the morning. Is oh yeah, it's a bag that you can put on your arm. Like I said, I don't have a shopping addiction because everything that I got, I need them. I'm not even joking. I did not just buy it out of whim. Though I can't say that the other ones I got, the subsequent 3 packages that I got are not frivolous. But then these ones are very useful. So this is the, oh, this is a bag that you put on your arm like this, I guess. Yeah, you tie it on your arm like this. You can put your phone and stuff while you are running so that you don't have to hold them. And this is, what is this? I guess it's the sack that you put on here. Oh, yeah, something like this. Something like that. So coming up next is this. I think this is the yoga mat I bought. Yeah, yoga mat. I hope it is big enough for, oh, nice. I don't know if you can see the full length. Let me see the quality. Oh my god, the quality is nice. It's amazing. This is really nice. Oh my gosh. Ah, can you see? Ooh, yeah. And it's coffee brown like I wanted. Coffee brown. The next thing is this. Oh yeah, this is for my fitness journey as well. It's a waist trainer that I'm planning to wear when I'm going on my morning jogs. So yeah. Oh, it's thick. Mm, 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 mm. It looks great, no? It does look great. Can you see this? It looks like stainless. I thought it would be weird because when you buy jewelry online, like AliExpress and Shein, they deliver weird stuff that will peel, but it looks like stainless earring. Or is this zirconia? There's no marking as to what it is on it, but I believe it should be this jewelry hanger I got. Let me check. Ooh, I had a roommate in law school that really loves unboxing stuff. She really loves it. She would love to watch this video. She likes unboxing things. Even the sand is like an energy rush to her. Oh yeah, it is. It is that stuff. Yeah, it is the jewelry hanger. Can you see? Let me bring it out. Oh, this is nice. Where do I hang my stuff? Oh, I think these holes are for the earrings. Yeah. Another thing, because while I was in law school, I did not take care of myself at all because there is even no time to say you want to be primping your skin or anything. So I decided that when I'm getting out, like I'm going to take my skincare very serious. I got some skincare from Dang, Diary of a Niger Girl on Instagram. But then I'm going to do another video for that. I'm going to do another video for that. But this is one of the things that I'm going to be using for the skincare stuff. So I guess this is that band that they put on the edge to put the ear away. See the way I've been flipping my ear since. Oh my gosh. But if I add this on, that will not be. And I think this is a face wash. A face wash. Yes, it is. Then this is a tongue scraper. Nice. I've never seen a tongue scraper like this, but it looked unique. That's why I bought it. It should work well. What is this? What is this? What is? Ooh, yeah. I bought a sports bra for my morning jogging too. This is another set of earrings. Oh, they look so nice. I see. They look amazing. Ooh. And to think I got these for low prices, I think. Low prices. I see. They are so shiny. I'm going to wear them. They are going to be my new aesthetics. They look so good. They are giving stainless earrings, not all this plastic stuff. For my skincare journey, so I got this gua sha and this roller stuff. I think it is called jade roller. Yeah, let me bring them out. See, it is used on the face to roll like this. Roll. Then this gua sha, it's called gua sha. I think it's a Chinese stuff. Do it like this. I'm like that. I watched videos on YouTube. That's what it's for. It helps you to sculpt your face, like beauty treatment. Then of course, I got BTS merch. Yeah. Right now I'm staying in my sister's place because I need to cool down a bit after law school before I begin my life properly. So yeah, this is going to be the keychain to my house when I get it. Guys, I'm a BTS army. BTS army for life. 07 for life. So 2025 is our year. We are waiting for our boys to come home. So this is Ike, so that is always with me. BTS. My boys. Then this is a figurine of the BTS members. I'm going to have to assemble them, I think, because they are in pieces. Oh, are they broken? I don't think they are. I don't think they are. I think I have to assemble them myself. Let me see. One of them. Oh, they're not broken. See the head, the body, and this is the podium for it to stand on. That's nice. I will assemble it. BTS army. And if you're an army, you can let me know. Maybe I should send you a link of the product if you'd like to get it. It's not very expensive. So coming up next are these stuffs. I think this is the last set that I'll bring out from the big package. So this is the last of the first package. So hopefully the second package gets here very soon. So I got this too. I think this is a washer, like air washer that you wash your hair so that it's able to reach where your fingers cannot reach. Then this, I expected it to be small. I did not expect it to actually be big, but it's still a little bit weird that it's this small, but it's no problem. Then this, I got this for my new place when I eventually get settled down and I decide to get my new place. So this is a digital clock. It's like a mirror or something. So yeah, does it switch on? I don't think it switches on. Oh, it has a battery. I have to put in battery for it to switch on. But basically, this is how it is meant to display. So yeah, that's the clock. Then there's a plastic plant for my new house as well. It's so small. I need to be small, but then it is small. It is really small. Let me see. It's really small. Oh, it's not very bad though. It's not very bad. It's not very bad. But compared to my palm, it's still quite small. But I put it on a table. It should actually have a little bit of it. Then this is the last one of the all. Oh, I think the only thing I'm not saying is my derma. I got a derma for my skin. Oh, nice. The derma for ear and skin. Oh, let me see. Ow, it is prickly. So this is the last of the products in this haul. The next haul, I don't know when it's going to be, but the other packages should get here very soon because I bought them not too far from each other. So see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.